Got some pumpkin from your Halloween decorations? Don't let it go waste. I've got the perfect healthy breakfast for you. And hey, if you're like me and forgot to carve that pumpkin or going to do it in the last moment, no worries, we are using butternut squash today. First up, we are cooking the butternut squash. You can boil, steam or roast it, but since we are all about speed here, I'm microwaving it for 4 minutes. Besides pumpkin, we're gonna be using an egg, a solid 52 grams, but who's counting? Chickpea flour, trust me, it's packed with protein. A little baking powder for that fluffy magic. Cinnamon, because who doesn't love cinnamon? A little bit of orange extract for a zesty cake, optional but highly recommended, you'll thank me later. 2 pitted prunes for sweetness or sweetener if you prefer. I'm using both because besides the natural sweetness, prunes add a fun texture and color to our mug cake. And walnuts. Crunchy, healthy fats. Don't skip them. They take this mug cake to the next level. Now, let's mix all the ingredients together. Grab your cooked pumpkin, egg, chickpea flour, baking powder, cinnamon, prunes, walnuts, and of course my favorite orange extract. I found this orange extract recently and I'm obsessed. I used it in waffles the other day and, spoiler alert, they were incredible. If you want the recipe, let me know in the comments and I will make a video for you. Now we are ready. Grab a mug or an Asian rice bowl, pour in your butter and microwave it. That's it. No flipping, no frying. After 3 minutes, let it cool for a bit before digging in. This has been such an amazing discovery for me. Even my pumpkin-hating husband couldn't resist it. It's delicious on its own, but I'm topping it off with some protein yogurt and fresh tangerine slices for an extra boost. Let's take a look at the inside. It's so fluffy and beautiful. This incredible breakfast will keep you full for hours and comes in at just 230 calories. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to see those orange waffle recipe I mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy food can be fun and delicious. Happy cooking!